Magandang hapon po ng September 29, 2025 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 29, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, September 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 29, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, September 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for September 29, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.